feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To rejuvenate an oven with inconsistent temperatures, start by verifying the accuracy of your oven's thermostat with an oven thermometer. If temperatures are indeed off, calibrate the thermostat according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, clean the oven thoroughly, as built-up grime can affect cooking performance. Also, inspect the heating elements for damage and replace if necessary. Ensuring proper air circulation inside the oven by not overcrowding it during use can also help. If problems persist, consult a professional technician to check for underlying issues.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.